Hi everyone, this is Deb. This is a VR video response to Jean at Jean's Gems channel. She is doing an open collaboration, I guess it's open, or challenge, I guess, and it's to promote the color pink and pink ribbons specifically for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now, I have not been directly affected by this. I've had a couple scares, but luckily they weren't anything major. And, but my grandmother, who I never got to meet on my mother's side, passed away from breast cancer. Now, medical things were very different way back in 1951 or yeah, I think she died the year my brother was born. Anyway, so I like to support this on the jewelry side. I actually do have some pink ribbons. Now, the deal is none of it can be Halloween related. It just has to have pink and pink ribbons of some sort, and it can just be like having pink ribbon on your project, like a bow or something that looks like a ribbon, which I'm probably going to try and use this on my first project um, because why? Because I'm trying to use it up. That, and then I had these out for my coffee projects, and I really would like to use these up. These were from Michael's back in the day when they had $1.50 bins or whatever they were. And these are adhesive trims, so I'm going to try and use these throughout the month. And then I have some pink pearls, well, pink and white, that I'd like to use up because I have a whole nother one of these. Those are also Michael's and they're adhesive. And then I'm sure a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, what you have to do is Monday through, I think she said Thursday. It says on here Friday. But yeah, Monday through Thursday each week, although this week starting today, Tuesday, because today is October 1st. And by the way, today is also International Coffee Day and International Day of Older Persons. Hello, I'm an older person. I don't like to admit that sometimes, but yeah, I am. You also have to have the hashtag in your videos, hashtag pink ribbon. And then just a individual video explaining your design, or you can do a short. I don't do shorts. Because I don't record on my phone. And all designs have to include a pink ribbon, and all videos and things have to post tag Jean in the post so she can find you, and also she's going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, so I was going to try and have the first project done. This video she did, which I'll link down below, just came out yesterday, and today she's got prompts for every day that this will go. She gives off, this should actually say Monday through Thursday, and then she gives off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There's no prompts for those, so you can catch up and make the whole week ahead. I probably am going to try and make the week ahead, but then I'll probably do them as separate videos so they're not real long and stuff. And some of them are very different, like beaded dangle to me is a lot different than index card or Rolodex card. So for this week, today's prompt is a tag. Tomorrow, the 2nd of October, journaling card. And October 3rd is greeting card. And oh, by the way, October 5th is World Card Making Day. So that's appropriate, right? And they should have pink or pink ribbons in them somehow. I'm going to try and mostly use shades of pink. Have to see what kind of, I have tons of paper, so I'll be using a lot of paper, but also some other things. And then she has this list on her channel, but I'll just quickly go through it. It's on her community tab and also in her video. I printed this off from her, I think her description box, or maybe from her community tab. I can't remember. I just highlighted it and hit print. October 7th is index card. October 8th is Rolodex card or memory dex card, you might know them as. October 9th is a cluster. That one I might have trouble with. And then October 10th is a beaded dangle. October 14th, which would be a Monday, is a heart. October 15th, artist trading card. October 16th is tree. So whatever, however you want to interpret that, a painting, um, tree of life, whatever you want to do. October 17th is a Twinchie. Oh, I don't remember that one. Anyway, October 21st is a book plate, and she explained what that is. It's like a little rectangle that says this book belongs to whoever kind of thing, and she wants to see some creativity with those. Sorry. October 22nd is a coloring page. That one might throw me a little bit too because I don't color other than stamped images, so I might be stamping some images or backgrounds and coloring them. I think I do have one adult coloring book here left, but I think it's mandalas or something. I'm not even sure. I still have it. Oh yeah, I do. Hang on, I have two. I don't know how they're going to relate to pink, but oh, maybe this one. I have this one, Beautiful or Blossom Magic. All right, I can find something to do in there. And I do have a Nature Mandala, which might be too hard for me. uh, but I might do something like that for something different. And I also think I have a watercolor um, coloring cards that I think Altenew sent me, so I'll see. But then the 23rd is watercolor or marker, so maybe I'll use those for that. And I have lots of alcohol markers and um, I have some water-based markers too. 1024 is a flower or some kind of flowers. 1028 is, this is supposed to say mixed media postcard. Mixed media is just using multiple things like inks and sprays and ribbons and paper and collaging or whatever. 1029 is fabric. It's like mixing them up to make something. 1029 is fabric. 1030 is stenciling. Use your stencils. And 1031 is collage, which I'm not the best at, but I can do it in small doses. So that's it. That's her prompts. And like I said, this this and something else that happened here yesterday, not related to crafting, has thrown my planning off for the week. Um, and just got behind yesterday because I spent 2 hours on the phone trying to resolve something about my security system. So anyway, and then I couldn't bring myself to get up here to clean the craft room. So I'm like way behind. And I think it's already mid-afternoon here when I'm recording this. So I was going to try and do the tag and do this as one video, but I'm going to make it two so I get this out and others can hopefully see it and support Jean and promote this. I met Jean through being on live streams with Martha Makes Art, and check her channel out too. I will link her also down below, but Jean is the host of this open challenge or collab. And yeah, so I am going to try and support this. And I had forgotten about this, and it's kind of ironic because I did my planner for the week in pink, but I did it because my mother liked pink flowers and her birthday was yesterday the 30th. So I did this in honor of her, but this could also be, and even the Be Brave Every Day could go with the breast cancer awareness, right? So anyway, my planner for the week is also in pinks and golds, mostly. So anyway, I just need to revise it now because I'm not doing what it said, obviously. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy your week, and I look forward to seeing your creations when you use the hashtag, which is hashtag pink ribbon, I believe. Yes, hashtag pink ribbon. Let me get a pink highlighter, and I'll just circle it. And also Jeans Gems. There we have it. So that is what you need to have in your video or short or whatever to reference her so she can check on them. And she will be doing some giveaways. That's explained in her video, which, like I said, I'll link down below. Have fun with this. And also, just a real quick aside, I'm wearing this because this was my mother's, and actually, I've been losing weight. It's hard to see it anywhere except in my fingers because mom and I used to wear the same size ring on our ring fingers, and now it's too big. And this one is getting a little loose too. That one's mine. But this was one of her favorite rings, so I thought I'd wear it. It has a little, it's actually purple, but purpley pink. And I did do my nails, but they're already messed up. I can't keep my nails, guys. That's why you don't usually see me in nail polish, but you know, pink, right? I'll try and keep it as long as I can get these videos done. Have a great week. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.